Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel today. Dr. David Olubenga is my name and I'm your host on this YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm talking to you about money management in Forex. I do manage money for people in Forex or I trade for them. And this is how it goes. You open your own Forex trading account with your broker, any broker you like. After opening the account, you fund the account, your own account in your name, you fund it. Then the username and the password to the trading account where the money is, you send it to me and I trade on your behalf. I log into the trading account, I trade on your behalf. The money made at the end of every month is shared equally between yourself and myself. So the profit made, let's assume that you put $1,000 in your trading account. And then I'm able to add $200 to it at the end of a month, making $1,200. So that $200 profit on it is going to be shared between yourself and myself. $100 to you, $100 to me. Now, here is how it goes. I cannot withdraw the money because it's in your account. If at the end of the first month, you fail to give me my own $100 or my own share of the 50% that you're supposed to give to me, automatically the following month, I will not trade that account again. So I am a man of integrity. Somebody contacted me, he said it's from the US and it was asking for 30/70, 40/60, 30/70. I am the one that's going to trade on the account and I'm going to make sure the system I use in trading, I am not promising that I will double the account in 1 month. You can see the example I gave that $100, I can make 1,002 and it can even be 1,001. So it's the $100 on it that we are going to share. There's no bank that you put your money at the end of 1 month, they give you that particular percentage. Even at the end of 1 year, they don't give you that percentage. But this is what I've been testing. Personally, I don't have that kind of funds to put in and the large amount of funds. And that's why I'm doing this account management so that if I can trade for other people, the profit that comes from it here and here, I can be able to add it up to mine. I'm able to move ahead. So that is just the deal. Somebody contacted me and I told the individual I have a brand. I have a brand. This YouTube channel you are seeing is my brand. And I cannot, because of $100 or $1,000, forfeit my brand on YouTube, on social media. I have a lot of social media presence, which is already enough to show that I am authentic. If you have proof that I've taken money from you for any purpose, and I didn't do what you asked me to do with the money, come ahead, come to the social media and let them make the noise. And then I can be able to defend myself. You make the noise with evidence. I don't dupe anyone. I don't take money from anyone. You can see even this strategy. I'm not asking you to send the money to me. I am saying the money in your own account. I only trade it. The profit is made in your own account. You are the only one that can withdraw the money. So you can see I'm very, very straightforward. I'm very, very bold. I'm very, very plain. I don't do hanky-panky. So if you are serious about Forex account management or Forex money management and you want me to trade your account for you, you've been trading and you've been making losses, this is the opportunity. Send me a DM, fund your account, send me a DM. It is 50-50. Don't come to me and be asking for 40-60. Even that individual that he said 30/70. I told you 50-50 from the word go, just like I'm making this video. He now said 40-60. I agreed. He's not coming back to say 30/70. It's annoying to me. And that's why I'm making this video. I need money, but I am not desperate to get money from anyone. What I am trying to do is to use my skill, which I've learned to do this and make you profit and make myself profit. Definitely, you get to know me through social media, and I have a lot of social media presence, and I'm trying to also make money from social media, but that does not mean that I should spoil my brand or my own name because of a few dollars or a few naira. So if you know you are serious and you want me to manage your Forex account for you, get in touch with me and then we can do business together. Again, my name is Dr. Olubenga Adetitun, and I'm your host on this YouTube channel. I teach you a lot of things on this channel because as I'm teaching you, I also am learning and I am relearning, and I'm unlearning and I'm relearning. So let's get going. You know, when you are a teacher, you have to search what you want to teach. And in the process, you are learning and knowing more. And as I'm teaching you forex trading, I am learning and adapting to a lot of things about forex trading. As I'm just making this video, the power supply went off. So let me open my window. So that is that about that. The power supply just went off now, and I'm using the lights from some aspects for making the concluding part of this video. So please subscribe to this video channel, like this video, share link of this video with family and friends, and keep coming back to this channel for more content like this. Until I come your way in the next one, make pips, keep pips, and repeat. See you in the next one.